Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. As per a recent report, thousands of iOS and Android mobile applications are exposing over 113 GBs of data via over 2,271 misconfigured Firebase databases. Mobile security firm Authority scanned over 2.7 million mobile apps that used Firebase systems to store user data. As per their results, 3,046 apps, 2,446 Android and 600 iOS, saved data inside 2,271 misconfigured Firebase databases that allowed anyone to view their content. Google has stated that Firebase databases are secure by default when they are created, and the fault remains with the developers for disabling the security measures provided by Google.